Okay, this is a grandfather clock. Of course, anybody who knows videos, knows clocks, knows that it's grandfather clock. It was given to me. Doesn't have the hangers, the weights. I guess that's how you would say it. Doesn't have the bottom either. I don't even know if the thing runs, but it's pretty cool. I don't even know what year the thing is. And here's the name. What is it called? I can't even see. Sorry, this video is not very good. Overall, it's not in bad shape. I thought it would make a really cool curio. Everything's there to be able to place the shelves. What is that? What does that say? Okay, that's a serial number. Huh. Cool. Now I know. I don't even know if everything is there on the back. To me, it looks like it. But then, I don't know clocks. Hopefully, you give this video a like. I know I wasn't very good at it. And comment what you think. I'd appreciate it. I like talking to people. And I guess I would like to be able to get in there and find the other stuff and make some more videos. Until next time, thank you.